Welcome to the second part of the powerful time management seminar led by Mr. Anindya Sundar Dey for the students of Karmick Institute. In part 1, Mr. Anindya Sundar Dey focused more on gathering the data, a rigorous 48-hour time audit where our students meticulously time-stamped every hour and every distraction in the past 2 days. Now, it was time for the conclusion. Mr. Dey moved from the data audit to a live challenge, showing students the true cost of juggling tasks. In this seminar, Mr. Dey gave a challenge to every student wherein they individually faced an intense 3-minute pressure test requiring split focus. In this task, Mr. Dey called each student one by one and asked them to backwards count from 100 to 0 and simultaneously write a detailed reflection on the last Durga Puja memories, their career goals, and alternative plans if the current career goal isn't met. When all the students were finished with the assignment, Mr. Dey came with the results. The outcome was clear. While the task was completed in the time limit, the students' written details were missing, inaccurate, or completely fragmented. The quality of the written work suffered significantly as critical details were missing. Mr. Dey's powerful final word, multitasking is fast but incomplete. He said, speed helps you achieve the objective, but you compromise the result. Mr. Dey delivered his final powerful conclusion. He told our students that when you combine precise time management with the discipline of single-focus work, the result is much better and completely accurate. For Karmick Institute students, this seminar was a session where they learned a crucial lesson about true productivity. They learned to focus on one thing and deliver the quality their career deserves. Thank you for watching. Be part of such impactful seminars. Just visit the Karmick Institute website to register for free. You can also grab free resources to enhance your IT skills.